Hello children, now second class mathematics. Take your textbook. Take out all of you. Take out your textbook and take pencil. Sharp your pencil. Okay children, now page number 113. Page open it. Page number 113. Open it all of you. Page number 113. Okay children. What is our chapter now? 16th chapter. Our chapter name is time. So our chapter name is time. T-I-M-E, time. Our chapter name is time. So page number 113. Open it children. See here, exercise problems is there? Yes. See here. On a holiday, and which activity do you spend more time? Mark those activities with a right mark. So which activity we are doing more time? You are doing bathing more time? Bathing time only more? Playing time? Or sleeping? Or watching TV? Which one? Which activity you are doing? You are spending more? Which activity? Playing only? Yes. Keep right tick with playing. Next, see children. Order the following activities according to what time you do them. See here. Order the activities. So first of all, see here in this picture too, bathing, they are eating, they are brushing, they go to the school. So which activities you are doing first? You are also morning wake up of what work you do? Brushing your teeth only? Yes, that is the first one. You write one number. Write one number. So afterwards, bathing. Yes children? 2. So then after, you taking breakfast only? Yes. Last, you go ready and go to the school. That is the 4th number. Right all of you? Right children? See children now. So which activities takes more time? Mark right to the and which takes more times. See here you are walking. Here this boy walking only. He is going to the school with walk. See here this boy. One bicycle too. He is going. So which one is? Which activities take more time? Which activities take more time? దేంట్లో లేట్గా వెళ్తారు స్కూల్కి ఏ యాక్టివిటీకి సో దిస్ బాయ్ ఓన్లీ రైట్ టిక్ కీప్ రైట్ టిక్ చిల్డ్రన్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ పుట్ రైట్ ఫర్ ది వన్ విచ్ గోస్ ఫాస్టర్ సో విచ్ గోస్ ఫాస్టర్ స్పీడ్ cycle to or bike? Which one goes faster? Then right tick. Which one goes fast here? Bike. You keep right tick. Bike to right tick. Okay. Are you completed children? Completed. So in this chapter 2 children, listen first of all. So what word we learning? So time, that activities. So morning time. So evening, some activities we are doing morning time. Some activities we are doing afternoon time. Some activities we are doing night time. So days. There are 7 days in a week only. So what are they? The days? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So, say spelling children. Sunday spelling. S-U-N-D-A-Y. Sunday. MONDAY Monday, TUESDAY Tuesday, WDNESDAY Wednesday, THURSDAY Thursday, FRIDAY Friday, SATURDAY Saturday. So write all of you. So all members learning this spellings, children. So learn all of you. What is the day after Sunday? Monday only, day after Sunday. So what is the day between Monday and Wednesday? Monday and Wednesday between Tuesday. What is the day after Saturday? Day after Saturday? Sunday only came. So how many days are there from Monday to Sunday? Monday to Sunday how many days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. So how many days are there in a week? 7 days. 7 days, okay. So next page to what we are learning. So months. How many months are there in a year? There are 12 months. There are 12 months in a year. So what are they? January. Say spelling. JANUARY. January. FEBRUARY. February. MARCH. March. APRIL. April. MAY. May. JUNE. June. JULY. July. AUGUST. August. SEPTEMBR. September. OCTOBR. October. NOVEMBER. November. DECEMBR. December. See children, learn the spellings compulsory children. January spelling JANUARY. January. February FEBRUARY. February. March MARCH. March. April APRIL. April. MAY. May. JUNE. June. JULY. July. AUGUST. August. SEPTEMBR. September. OCTOBR. October. NOVEMBR. November. DECEMBR. December. So learn this month spelling children. So January after which month will came? February. February after March. March after April. April after May. May before month April. May after month June. June after July. July after month August. August after month September. You learn this like only children. So here given in questions. Sorry children. Now answer the following questions. Which month comes after January? Which month comes after January? January after month. February only. So spelling FEBRUARY. 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 So which is the month between April and June? April and June between month May. 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 So see question, which month comes after July? Which month comes after July? July after month August. 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 See here. After how many months does December comes after September? So how many months after will come December? 1 in September to count. 1, 2, 3. 3 months. So how many months are there in a year? 12 months. How many months are there in a year children? 12 months. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 months. 12 months are there in a year. See children, learn the spellings compulsory. Learn, I will explaining again that spellings. TIME, time. Learn T-I-M-E, time. Read all of you. T-I-M-E, time. M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning. M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning. A-F-T-E-R-N-O-O-N, afternoon. A-F-T-E-R-N-O-O-N, afternoon. E-V-E-N-I-N-G, evening. E-V-E-N-I-N-G, evening. Learn, children, morning spelling. M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning. Afternoon spelling. A-F-T-E-R-N-O-O-N, afternoon. Evening. E-V-E-N-I-N-G, evening. So this girl wake up in the morning or evening? Morning. Say morning spelling. M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning. So she is brushing only here. So in which time she brushing? Morning or afternoon? Morning. M-O-R-N-I-G, morning. So here she ate breakfast only? Yes. In which time? Morning or night? Morning. M-O-R-N-I-G, morning. So there she is sleeping only. So in which time she is sleeping? Night. Night time only. You are also sleeping at night. So night spelling N-I-G-H-T, night. N-I-G-H-T, night. They are playing only. Which time you are playing, children? You are also playing? Yes. In which time to playing? Played your evening time. Evening time. E-V-E-N-I-N-G, evening. So learn these spellings also. A-F-T-R, after. A-F-T-R, after. Week spelling, say children. W-E-E-K, week. W-E-E-K, week. So how many days are there in a week? 7 days. So day spelling D-A-Y, D-A-Y, day. D-A-Y, day. A-F-T-R, after. A-F-T-R, after means in after day only. Sunday after, Monday, like that. After. So between, B-E-T-W-E-E-N, between. B-E-T-W-E-E-N, between. Between spelling B-E-T-W-E-E-N, between. So between day means Wednesday and Monday, between day Tuesday. Suppose Wednesday and Friday, between day Thursday, like that. So between means middle. Middle one, between. So before means before. B-E-F-O-R-E, before. B-E-F-O-R-E, before. Before day means suppose Wednesday before day, which day? Tuesday. Thursday before day? Wednesday. Wednesday spelling W-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y, Wednesday. Listen children, I am saying again and again. So you learn these spellings compulsory. That's why I am saying again and again. So you learn these spellings and that before and after these spellings also you learn compulsory. Days and months. How many months are there? How many days are there? Okay. See here. Month spelling M-O-N-T-H-S, months. M-O-N-T-H-S, months. See here. February spelling, say children. F-E-B-R-U-A-R-Y, February. October. O-C-T-O-B-E-R, October. Okay, here activities will checking only. So in which activity you are doing more time, you spend more time. You are doing sleeping means you also keep right tick. You are watching TV means you keep right tick. So always you are doing bathing means you keep right tick. Okay, you are spending bathing means keep right tick. So which activity you are doing more in holidays time, that activity you keep writing. Okay. Okay children, completed. In next chapter, in next class I will explain.